Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Nowsite's marketing newest pricing. And we're going to go over what it includes, what comes with it, and why for the new price again. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I just went over and talked about and let you guys know what is going on and what the new price is, and we'll go for it right now. All right, so as you can see, I am actually on the Nowsite's marketing website, and this is their homepage. It's we won't go too much into it, but we're going to go over the pricing and what you can actually get with it and what comes with it. So I'm actually going to go up here and click on where it says pricing, and with that, it brings you straight to the super simple pricing. And it's nice, very simple. You may notice a difference right away. Before, Nowsite actually had two prices. They had one was the $47, that was the starter, and they had the $87 plan that was called the entrepreneur plan. Now, the starter was like very limited, and you got like 10 websites that you can build, whether it was using those to make a funnel, marketing funnel, sales funnel, or a capture page, landing pages, or actual website. It was up to you, but you only had 10 of them. So anything else you had to actually purchase extra, and some other features too. I won't go too much into it, but I'm going to go more over what you get now. So now also what they have, as you can see, is that Nowsite Marketing allows you to purchase your subscription for a whole year annually. So, and you actually get a discount. I think it's like 20%. Yeah, 20% of the monthly plan, off the monthly plan. And you get a free 60-minute website design meeting, and we'll go over that more too, what that means, what that entails. So, we're gonna actually just talk about more of the whole plans and why they actually did that. So, with this, you see the monthly standard is actually $47. Now that's a great deal. That's an amazing deal. You may think, hey, well, what did we lose? Actually, you really didn't lose anything. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. But we're going to go over what you're going to get for that $47 and how do you get that plan. Excuse me. So with the $47 a month, it's a monthly plan. You get plus a one-time $40 fee for a 60-minute website design meeting. So that's a one-time thing. So you only pay so it's $47 a month, but then you can look at it as an activation fee. I really wouldn't call it activation fee because you actually are getting the 60-minute website design meeting. So it's very nice, and next is trust me, it's a great feature that you're gonna love, and it's gonna actually make a lot of sense when you get it. Makes everything just so simple, easy, and fluent. So that's what you get for the $47. Now you can actually choose to do it for a whole year, like pay annually. You'll basically be locked in that price, and you won't have to pay again for a whole year. Totally up to you. If you want to try it out just month to month, there's no cancellation fees. There's no contracts. You can actually just go month by month if you want to, or you can do the yearly. It's totally up to you what you want to do. Me personally, I actually already have the year. I pay for a year because I figured, hey, I'm going to be using it for a while. I'm going to be actually testing out the system and actually use it for multiple businesses, seeing what it can do, and bring the information to you guys. So might as well pay for it for a year, get the full shabam, and make sure that it's working right. So I paid for the year, got a discount, and it's great. So I don't have to worry about getting billed again for another year. So I'm going to go into what you get when you actually purchase the Nowsite Marketing. So this is some of the features that you get. Your plans includes website builder, SEO, email marketing, limitless CRM, iOS and Android apps, in-house marketing experts, amazing support, it's top notch, trust me, you won't find nothing else like this out there, and detailed analytics. Now, I can go into each one on what it means. You mean the website builder, create unlimited websites, load landing pages, unlimited landing pages, and a full website in minutes. SEO, if you don't know what SEO means, it's search engine optimization. Email marketing, plain and simple, email marketing is like, you've experienced email marketing. You market through emails. So autoresponders, what else? Email marketing, email marketing campaigns, all that's included. iOS, Android apps manage your marketing. You actually basically take this on the road, so you don't have to always be doing this on a PC or anything, or a computer or a Mac or anything like that. You actually can use your phone. So they have the apps, the Nowsite Marketing app for your for Androids and iPhones. So that's very nice and handy. I use it all the time. In-house marketing experts, video conference. That's key. Video conference with a Nowsite nerd to optimize your marketing. Yes, I'm wearing a shirt, but I am not a Nowsite nerd. I just play one online. Amazing support. Our team is here 7 days a week to answer all of your questions. It is true whether it's through email, chat, or video chat, live video chat on Zoom. The support is top notch. It's amazing. They get back to you as soon as they can. It's never more than 24 hours. Trust me on that one. I've been doing it for some time. Detailed analytics make the right marketing decisions with real-time analytics. It's powered by Google Analytics, so it's very nice and it's amazing. So you get to actually see the data and what you're doing and what's working and what's not working. So I forgot the unlimited email, limited CRM. Keep track of your unlimited leads, prospects, and customers. So that's what you get. The price is in USD. So that's, if you was wondering what's the price in, what else? A whole bunch of things. These are frequently asked questions. I'm not gonna go over all of that. You can easily check that out yourself on the website. Click the link below. Buy more ads. So you can actually purchase ads if you want ads. We're gonna show you everything that comes with this though. So if I wanted to, I'll go get started. And boom, takes you to this right here. Now, you see, select, pay, and confirm. Super simple pricing. Now I'm going to go over everything, exactly what you get, what included in your subscription, whether versus what's on the platform and what you can actually basically upgrade to if you want to. So because I don't want anybody to be thinking, oh well, you guys didn't tell me this, I wasn't aware of this, that you guys are trying to upsell me. Nah, I'm gonna show you everything that's out there. I'm 100% transparent, no BS here. So your Nowsite subscription will include all of these amazing features: unlimited websites, unlimited social media content, email marketing, 15,000 a month, team management, CRM, mobile app, detailed analytics, and blogs. That's a lot right there. You go to any marketing agency and say, hey, I want all this right here. You're paying over like $1,000 a month. This, you're getting it for $47 a month. Crazy, right? Or you can pay $444 a year. Totally up to you. Now, you may be wondering, well, what's the available upgrades? So I'm going to tell you this right here. These are upgrades a la carte. You purchase as you need. Or as you want. So in-house marketing specialists, that's key. So if you actually do need help, somebody specialist in either making a website, and that's what you get with the first that 60-minute for the website meeting that you're doing, that's online. You're getting that for that $40 that you're paying on for the first month, the first time $40 fee, one-time fee. That's what you're getting also right there. But they have other specials that you have too. So that'll be another video about the marketing, Nowsite marketing nerds. So you also get SMS marketing. I have that. I was lucky to get in on a promotion they had, and I got Nowsite SMS marketing. I love it. Very simple. If you are into marketing online, not online, or even through your text or like that, this is what it's so simple, guys. Very email campaigns, marketing, SMS campaigns, drip campaigns. It's lovely. Online ads and retargeting ads. So you actually purchase online ads and retargeting ads. If you're familiar with that, I'm pretty sure you've seen those on Facebook or any other social media marketing platform that you have seen where it says sponsored. Those are online ads. So you actually do that one. And retargeting, I'm pretty sure you have experienced that with Amazon and like when you click on something, look at it, and then go to another website, and then it follows you, see that item on the side or something like that, or the bottom, or popping out right there is like, hey, you looked at this. This is the price on this site. That's retargeting, even when you go to another website. And they also offer an affiliate program. So if you want to, if you like it so much, you want to refer it to somebody else, you can also do that and make a nice little income, or actually even get your subscription for free. If you're not doing even if you're doing the annual, you still can get your subscription for free. You can actually, you'll be paying that, but hey, sometimes depending on how good you refer it, and people sign up and they love it, because they will love it, you make a nice little profit too. So this is what you get with your subscription, and this is what's available for upgrades as well for your subscription that's available overall. They're going to be adding more stuff. They actually are working on a new feature that they're incorporating into the system that's going to be lovely. I can't tell you about it. It's coming soon, but I'll leave it at that. So this is what it looks like. So we're going to go to the process. The process. If you click select the plan, very simple. You just go ahead and here and like boom, credit card, PayPal. They do take PayPal. You can purchase your subscription with PayPal, credit card number, all that's standard. Create your account, first name, last name, email. You can select the language, so they have multiple languages that you can go in. And yes, they have Nowsite nerds and everything, and support in different languages too. So you're taken care of. Don't worry about that. You can click on this to get their newsletter for all the discounts and codes and everything that they have going on promotion wise, passwords and all that stuff. And yeah, it has a breakdown right here of what's due today. If you have a promo code, and if you know me, and if you're seeing this right here, contact me, because I got a promo code for you. I'll tell you right now, you'll get $25 off when you contact me and hey, I need that promo code. I want to sign up under and basically get that hookup from you. I got the hookup. I get you $25 off your first month. So what will usually be $47.40, come to $87, take $25 off of that. But you got to contact me, man. You got whoever it is, you guys got to contact me, because I can't help you out if you don't contact me. So you apply your promo code right there. Otherwise, it'll be $87 for the first month. Then you click to pay now, and these are terms and conditions. You can go over all that stuff right there. Very simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Guys, I'm serious. I love this. This is the new prices. I think it's amazing compared to the $87 that they were, and they've started higher and higher and higher. Not because the value of what the platform is bad. No, it's amazing. It's just that they know that when you're trying to market a business or your brand or trying to do something like that, you want to save as much as possible, and you want to get as much as you can. So why not be able to afford this and have a corporate sense of marketing with a small business budget? It's amazing, right? So hopefully you got some value from this one, guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you want to get going, there's a link in below, or you can give me a call. My number is actually in the description below, along with that link. That's my direct number, my cell phone number. And you can call or text, whatever you want to do. Also, guys, if you did get some value from this one, do me a favor. Hit that big red button below. Hit that right there. That's the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and click the all. Because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You liked this last one, so you might want to check out this one too. So, yeah, guys, hope you got some good value from this one. If you have any more questions or any concerns, drop it in the comment below, or contact me directly, either through my phone, text, call, or you can hit all my social media is also in the descriptions below. Facebook, Instagram, about to start TikTok too, but and LinkedIn, all those things right there you can actually contact me on. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this, and until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.